Hello YouTubers, today I'd like to talk about inexpensive options for freeze-dried food. On our search for finding lightweight food, of course freeze-dried is going to be the lightest. And most freeze-dried foods are rather expensive. And we found that if you at the Dollar Tree stores, they have these peaches and strawberries. They're actually only $1 a pack, relatively inexpensive. It's something to keep in mind, especially if you have a Dollar Tree in your area. If you don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, check the other little dollar stores. You never know what you might find. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.